Hello to all my viewers on this cold day here in Connecticut in 2021. I hope you and your families have been spared the China plague and are planning for a fun time with archery. This year I will have torque tests again on YouTube as before. It may prove to be a difficult one to get bows to test. I will be in my 81st year. This makes me more likely to have a fatal COVID experience, so I'm cautious about getting out to bow shops. The ideal situation would be for bow manufacturers to send samples to me for torque tests, but to date most all have not wanted the exposure to unbiased testing. Now for new testing, I plan on providing a video that will discuss stabilizers, how and why they work, and how to determine what the various bar lengths and end weights do. This will enable you, the archer, to have real data to compare performance and relative stabilization. I just have to figure out the best way for viewers to download the stabilizer chart I made. More new testing. The next thing I plan to accomplish this year is to provide a preliminary standard to measure crossbow arrows. Yes, arrows. Bolts are just shorter arrows. There is no current way to measure crossbow arrows with regard to that all-important metric, which is spine. All archers choose an arrow of the correct spine for their setup, but that is a black hole when it comes to crossbow arrows. I need to design and build that fixture and develop testing standards myself. Also, I think some crossbow manufacturers like to keep that information to themselves, so you need to keep on buying their bolts, not arrows, bolts. Lots of profit for them, just by keeping the spine values a mystery. Data that shows spine requirements of crossbow arrows will enable archers to make informed decisions, just like you do with vertical bow arrows. You know the length, diameter, plus weight and knock required. Why not the critical measurement of arrow spine? Stay tuned for that video later this year. Thanks and keep on shooting. So long for now, Joe Marzullo.